Hi guys, you found Can't Stop Writing with author Carol Alwood. Today we're going to talk about why you need an Instagram account if you don't already have one, and I'm going to show you how to set it up and how to use it. To get to Instagram, you can either search it online or you can go to the App Store. You will need to download the app on the App Store. To sign in, you can use a phone number or your email. They will send you a verification code so they know it's a real email or phone number. Go ahead and fill in the code that they send you. Next, you need to select your username and password. I suggest if you're an author that you use your real name. I already have an account with my real name, so I'll make this one about book boxes. I'm going to keep this account after this video because I think it would be fun to post pictures about book boxes. Next, add your birthday. They won't share it with anybody. Now you'll need a profile picture. Since my author Instagram account has a photo of me, on this account I'll put up a photo with a book box item. It'll ask you if you want to use this profile picture as your first post. Next, I want to show you how to use the story feature on Instagram. The story lasts for one day and then it goes away, unlike other pictures that you post on your page that will stay there unless if you archive them. To make a story on your Instagram account, touch the plus sign by the words "Your Story." You can take a photo or select one from your phone's library. The fun thing about story photos or videos is you can draw on them or type over them. Watch how I add and erase words. To do all of this, I'm using the tip of my finger. You can also type by selecting what looks like a typewriter A and choose the color of the text by selecting one of the color dots on the right. Then reposition the text by dragging it with one finger. To make it bigger, place two fingers over the screen over the text and drag them apart or back together, and the text will get bigger or smaller. You can choose stickers and drag them to where you want them. To resize the stickers, use two fingers and either spread them apart or bring them back together to change how big they are, just like the text. If you choose a sticker you don't like, just drag it to the bottom of the screen until it goes into the garbage. Then when I touch my story, I can see that it shows up for a few seconds. Next, we'll look at following other people on Instagram. They'll give you some suggestions when you start a new account. They usually go off of your contacts that you have in your device. So go through and select people who you think might be interested in your account. Also, if people follow you, you can choose whether or not you want to follow them back. Next, I want to show you how to add a new post. Go to the plus sign, and then you can choose to either take a photo or go through your library. And you can select multiple photos like I did here, where I have 3 photos that are in a carousel. When you're posting a photo, Instagram gives you an option of whether or not you want to have the layout feature. You can combine your photos in layout for Instagram. Just sign up for it just like you do the Instagram app, open it up, and it'll give you a brief tutorial about how to use it. You can have pictures in squares, pictures in lines, and give layout access to your photos so that you can create some interesting designs. Notice how you can move around the individual photos within the layout. You don't have to have the same photo in every shape. Here I have 4 squares, but I can change each square by putting different pictures on it. Just tap on the square you want to change and then select the photo you want in that square. You can still reposition your photos just a little bit. You have the option you can even flip things around if that would make it look more interesting. You can create a border, and then you can decide if you want it to go to your story or your feed. And then go ahead and add a comment and select some hashtags that you think would be good for your post. Look for hashtags related to the audience for your photo. You can decide whether or not to share your exact location. You can tag people in it. If you tag people, it's like mentioning it. You can also connect your Facebook to your Instagram account. If you do so, it'll authorize Instagram to post your information on Facebook. I hope this tutorial helped you see that it's possible for you to set up your Instagram account, and it's actually kind of fun. Just play around with it and know that it takes time to develop your own style. I think you'll have a lot of fun with it, and I think you'll be able to connect with the new community. If you liked this content, please feel free to comment or subscribe. And in the meantime, I hope you can find joy on this journey and enjoy learning new things on social media. Have a good day. See you next time.